Veblen effect, luxury goods pricing. The Veblen effect, named after economist Thorstein Veblen, is a phenomenon observed in consumer behavior, particularly regarding luxury goods. It describes a situation where demand for a product increases as its price increases, seemingly defying the basic law of demand. Here's a breakdown. Core concept: conspicuous consumption. The Veblen effect is rooted in the idea of conspicuous consumption, where people purchase goods not for their intrinsic value or functionality, but to display their wealth and social status. Signaling wealth. Luxury goods, in this context, serve as a way to signal one's affluence and social standing. The higher the price, the more exclusive and desirable the product becomes. Status symbol. These goods become status symbols, allowing individuals to differentiate themselves from others and gain social recognition. Key characteristics. Price as a signal. The price itself becomes a key attribute of the product, indicating its exclusivity and desirability. Inverse relationship. Unlike the typical demand curve, which slopes downward, the Veblen effect can create an upward-sloping demand curve for certain luxury goods. Social influence. The Veblen effect is heavily influenced by social factors, such as peer pressure, social norms, and the desire for social acceptance. Examples: high-end fashion. Luxury designer clothing, handbags, and watches often command exorbitant prices, and their demand may increase as prices rise. Luxury cars. High-priced luxury cars serve as a visible display of wealth and status. Fine art and collectibles. Rare and expensive works of art, antiques, and collectibles are often purchased as status symbols. Exclusive experiences. Very expensive vacations, or access to exclusive clubs. Why it happens. Social status. People seek to enhance their social standing and gain recognition. Exclusivity. High prices create a sense of exclusivity, making the product more desirable. Perceived quality. Consumers may associate high prices with higher quality, even if there is no objective basis for this belief. Emotional gratification. The purchase of these items can provide emotional gratification. Important notes. The Veblen effect is most pronounced for luxury goods that are highly visible and socially significant. It's important to distinguish the Veblen effect from other factors that can influence demand, such as brand loyalty or perceived quality. In essence, the Veblen effect highlights the complex interplay between price, social status, and consumer behavior in the realm of luxury goods.